Hey guys, so I'm doing a series of video, and I actually did look up the non-OEM carburetor for this, and I'll let you guys know that it is the correct carburetor. As far as I could tell, it's the correct carburetor. Like it's the correct replacement carburetor. And wow, I don't know how some people got these to work and some people don't. This is the second one that actually didn't work the way it's supposed to work, which is an absolute pain in the butt. I don't know what the deal is, but if you guys are in this situation, definitely instead of just clean it out yourself, guys. I mean, that's like the best port. That's the best way around that, is to just clean it out yourself. And I don't think I'm gonna keep this. I think this is just junk at this point. None of this actually. I mean, I wish when they did these carburetors that they did them specifically to specifications, but apparently not. And even the I'm gonna probably just clean out the old fuel pump and reuse it. Like, this is what came with it. Fuel pump. I'm talking about the fuel filter. This is what came with it. This is what came with it. There's an extra one of these, and I can't use any of this stuff. But I'm gonna say that's a success. I don't think I need to do anything else with it. It runs. It's not surging. It runs well. It's not surging. And it died only because, you know, there was a gas issue. It wasn't getting gas, so I don't know. Aside from that, I'm glad it's over. I'm done spending as much time as I did trying to figure this out, and I'm glad I actually did figure it out, because it was driving me crazy. Anyway, definitely subscribe to my channel. Hope this has helped you guys out with your problem solving. You guys have this issue with Onan generators. Hope this has actually helped you guys out with this issue. And I'm gonna say it's been resolved. If you guys have any questions, leave me the questions in the comment section. Subscribe and give me a thumbs up and all that stuff, guys. All right. I'm not gonna. I think this might be like my last video on the fix on this generator. Probably. I don't think I need to do anything else with it. So, all right, guys. Take care.